Hello guys, welcome back. So now, guys, generally we are in cash journal, right? But again, because the server is refreshed totally, and whatever the previous setting is there, that is gone. So we'll do one thing, guys. We'll have to do the setting once again. So I'll tell you guys now. Let's suppose here the question is like if I have to practice the cash journal, right? So, what is the prerequisites for cash journal? Can anybody tell me? Prerequisites, I mean to say, what is the minimum configuration at least required so that we can proceed further for cash journal configuration and testing? Okay, Naveen is saying no voice. What about other? Able to hear? If yes, then reply here, guys. It's fine for Lakshman. It means it is fine for everybody. Naveen, you just exit and rejoin. Okay. Okay, good. So now the question was, what is the prerequisites or what is the minimum required configuration, guys? Voice is breaking. Guys, is it for everybody? Is it breaking for everybody or it's fine? It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Then it's good, guys. Okay, good. It's fine. Then the question is, what is the minimum configuration required? What is the minimum required configuration in SAP, guys, for cache journal setting? Someone just tell me. Anyone, guys?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. This is Fahad.
Yeah.
Enterprise structure, basic settings, GL settings.
They are the minimum required configurations, right?
Yes.
Yes. So guys, these are the minimum required configurations. In the sense, these many configurations are required. Why? Because if you have to, like, let's suppose, see, the pretty simple, guys. In the previous session, we have seen like I was creating GL account, right? So GL account creation means what is happening, guys? GL account means first of all the GL setting is required. Then only we can create the GL account. Apart from this, what is the use of cash journal? I said like all the cash related transactions are going to be posted. So the question is, if any transaction will be posted, then of course it is going to be posted against a particular company code, right? It means enterprise structure is coming into picture. Company code, business area, these things are the part of enterprise structure, right? So enterprise structure setting is required. Apart from this, whenever the transactions are going to be posted, guys, fiscal year, right? Fiscal year will be there. Then apart from this, fiscal year is there, posting period is there, tolerance group is there. These all things will be coming into picture, right? So minimum, what is the that is enterprise structure. People are saying no voice. Now I think you fine, right? Is it fine? Okay, good. So we'll do one thing, guys. First of all, I'll configure this. So let me log in, guys, and minimum setting will be done, and then we'll proceed further. Okay, so meanwhile, since we are in cash journal, so in cash journal, whatever the settings are there, in those settings, we have to set up the GL account first, right? So GL account, I think the complete GL account was not set up actually. Few GL accounts were set up, and remaining, I said like we'll set up in the next session. So we'll do one thing, guys. Okay, look at here, guys. It is like already specified here the things. Like someone tried to hack the SAP server. Due to that, we have lost the control of SAP yesterday. Okay, these all details you can just have a look. And look at your note is also there. Use your old user ID and password 123456. Okay, this you have to use only once I confirm you people in the group. Once I confirm you people in the group, then only you have to use. So log in, guys. Okay, now it is totally fresh server. So initially for all the configuration, it will take some time. Like first of all, I create a company code. Creation of company is not a mandatory setting, but company code is a mandatory setting, right? So I'll just do one thing. That is 3M33. So even you guys can also do these things. And we'll create a transport request. Then what next, guys? The next one is business area and all, no required, guys. This is not a mandatory setting and all. Later on, you can do it. You can create it. But right now, minimum setting we have to do. So just go to OB29. And here you can set up your fiscal year, financial year. So guys, this time, no need to set up once again. You just use V3. That is April to March. Simply you can copy V3. And you make it like whatever you want. I am just going to make it V3. And copy all. Click on copy all. Okay, just press enter and save it. So now whatever settings we have to do, guys, those settings we have copied. You can select, you can click on periods. Look at here, this is what we have to do. That is already done. Now, so go to OB37 and we have to assign this against company code. The company code is TM33. Make it T3, which I have defined. And if you save it, then look at your system is saying that here also you have to assign no posting possible without fiscal year variant. Asking about this one. So this is not our company code. Simply you can skip. So how you can skip? Press enter button. Look at here, transport request got generated. Okay. Now the next one is OB C4. Fiscal year variant, then posting period variant also we have to define, and field status variant also. So field status variant, copy this 1000 or 0001 anyone and make it like TM33 itself. And press enter. Always click on copy all, guys. Just save it. Then assign it OBC5. Look at here how quickly it is going to be. You guys also have to be like this only. Not now, later. Okay, so field status variant is done. Posting period. OB, PO transaction code. This is also required. TM33. Save it. And then I'm doing quickly. Anyway, recording is happening so that you guys can follow this and you can complete your minimum settings. Then this is created. Just go to /NOP/BP, by which we have to assign this to the company code. TM33 is the company code and variant is also TM33 itself. Just save it. Now go to slash and OB 52. Open and close the period. Just select this 0001 and TM33 and here period number 1 2021 to 12 2021. Remaining you can delete. Press enter. Just save it. Then what next guys? Slash and FB and 1. Number range is required. TM33 01. Leave a range. Just save it. Press enter. Okay, so now it is done. Now what next? The next one is go to the tolerance group OB A4. Click on new entry. Don't give anything in group. Here company code simply amount, percentage, here certain amount and save it. Right now I'm not explaining the logic and all, right? Because these things already is covered. And then OB A0. Another tolerance group for GL account guides. Company code TM33. This is also mandatory setting guys. And save it. Okay, so now then the next one is OB13 chart of account we have to define, and TM33 itself I'm going to give the code English 04. Just save it. And then what next guys? The next one is assignment, right? So OB62 and I will just do one thing guys. Company code TM33 and here TM33 itself just assign it, right? And then what next guys? The next one is OB D4 account group creation, right? So account group will be like, you can do one thing guys here itself. You just do one thing, click on new entry, chart of account TM33, account group asset, set account from 1000 to 1999. Oh, I made a mistake. I simply pressed enter. Now press enter. Now again TM33, this time liability account 2999. Again TM33 revenue, then 3000 to 3999. Then again TM33 expenses, expense account 4000 to 4999. Then again TM33 and here other accounts and 5000 to 5. Press enter and save it. So this is what we have done guys. And one more mandatory setting, go to the OB53 and this one we have to do TM33, give X and save it. Okay, then we'll set up the GL account slash and FS 00. We'll set up the GL account and we'll test it. Here you have to give your company code TM33 and then you need to click on setting here, hierarchy display. So hierarchy display, if we are going to activate, then what is happening guys? Left side, the list of GL will appear. So here display account in navigation tree, press enter and once again slash and FS00. Now look at here, the screen got fixed. I'm going to create one bank account first. So under assets is the part of balance sheet. any particular bank account, guys. Bank account, long text, short text, I'm giving same. And then, okay, anything else, guys? Everything is fine now. Okay, click here, 001 and save it. Okay, it's taking some time. Anyway, for you guys, it is not going to take that much time because once the server got formatted and first time whoever is doing configurations for those people only, it will be a little bit slow because initially it happens. Later on, like once anybody has done any configurations and all, and then after that, if somebody is going to do, if that particular configuration is not is not done by anybody, then there might be a chances that it may take 30 seconds, 20 seconds like that, or else immediately. Now click on another 4,000, and this is going to be part of. Okay, so here expense and this rent account. Just save it. Now we'll perform the testing. We'll test it, guys. So just 50, 50. Okay, so now here give it 8, 4,000, debit. That's any amount, guys, or just like identical amount, like 500, and H1 credit 500. Press enter. So here, while you post a transaction, guys, here we have to check like whatever till now configurations we have done. If the transaction is getting posted successfully, it means everything is fine. If it is not, then system will throw certain error and system is going to notify which configuration is missing. Save it, Control S. Let's see. So lots of validations are happening, guys. Look at here. Here, lots of things are being checked, right? Lots of things are being checked. Now, controlling area is not mandatory, guys. It depends. Like if sometime it become mandatory, but I think see in AHP6, I think it was mandatory settings and all. In AHP7, sometime I have seen it become mandatory. It means like there are certain program or there are certain things, guys. Once it become active, then only it is going to become mandatory. Okay, look at here now. There is an error, no item category assigned to account 4,000. So it means this is called document splitting related error. And what you people have to do, use SPRO. Whenever item category, if you see anything in the error item category, simply you have to do one thing, guys. And what about the font and everything is perfect, no? It's visible clearly, right? That font size is okay. Anybody just let me know of this SAP. Okay, so here activate document splitting. You click. What you have to do, it is locked by someone. Now when just come out, I think it's your ID, right? Come out. You don't do the configurations, guys. While classes and all, I'll request you people don't do configurations. It's anyone else. Okay, Naveen 1. So somebody else. Okay, so we'll do one thing. So what about the tolerance? There is a question from Lakshman. Tolerance group I have already set up. and posting key is whatever delivered by SAP is more than enough. That is why we are not going to set up posting key and document type. But in basic setting, I have already explained those things. Now here no need to give once again explanations, guys. Why? Because the session is going to be too long, right? So that videos are also available. That explanation is already given. That video was recorded. Simply now we have to do a minimum setting so that the cash journal topic we can start. So now here SEM12. Okay, let's enter here. Okay, so guys, now remove the check mark. Even now you can do one thing, guys. Here we are having options deactivation for company code TF33, right? So inactive. You can apply it, check mark, you can save. So that error will not appear. This time it is being saved, but if somebody is going to do certain configurations from FM side, guys, then there will be a problem. So in that case, what you have to, you will be getting error. So in that case, simply you need to remove the check mark from here. Remove the check mark from here, and then you can save it. Okay. If somebody has activated also, and here look at here, guys, at my company code level, I have deactivated. So in that case, this activation will be having impact on other company code, but for my company code, there is no impact because for my company code, I have inactive. I have deactivated. Okay. The more logic you guys will be able to understand once I start a topic called document splitting. But before that, multiple topic I have to cover. So that topic will come later. Now, so once again, every 50 guys, every 50, and quickly I'll post the transaction. Any amount I'm keeping, just save it. Now look at here, lots of things are being checked. Okay. Now the transaction got posted, guys. So it means all the configurations are fine. Now we'll do one thing. So I'll just do one thing, guys. In this cache journal, whatever settings I have done till now, okay, so whatever setting I have done, guys, that we'll do, and then we'll start the another recording. We'll stop this recording here, and I'll upload this video, guys. I'll upload in the what to say this one in the drive, okay. And sequence, I'll just do one thing. I'll keep this video, this recording on top. Okay. I'll not give any number. I'll just put hash. So it will be there on top. Okay. And cache journal topic will be, it will be there as sequence wise only. So first of all, these GLs are like, which GL, guys? Petty cash GL is not created yet. Cash purchase, cash sales, bank, these are. So I'll just create cash purchase and cash sales also. And then, so cash purchase, right? 4001. Or else simply we can copy here 4001. 4001, and then you can apply a check mark here, post automatically. What is the logic is already explained, and cash sales also make it like 3001, and this is revenue. So select like revenue account. Remaining things will be the same. Just save it. Right. So till here, guys, we have done in the previous session. Till here, in the sense like in cash general topic, till here we have done in previous session, and from here onwards, once again, I have to start the cash general topic. Okay. So I'll stop this recording here, and then in next recording, I'm going to start what to say this cash general topic, and the numbering will be as it is. This topic only I'm going to upload on the, it will be there at the top.